I've already primed my skin, obviously baby skin, and hydrated my skin. Yeah, let's catch up. So I recently moved. Clearly I'm in a new setting. That door opens. It's my son. Just FYI, don't be scared. If you guys want a little like, if you guys want like a little office tour, let me know. I will record that shit for you. So we're just gonna do it because fuck it. I literally don't have anywhere special to go to. Literally just gonna go to the grocery store, get some groceries, a fan because our bedroom doesn't have a fan, and it's been a little hot, so that's been not fun. Clearly, it's super windy outside. It's super windy, and I don't know why. Gotta clear that mustache. I don't know why exactly I'm yeah, this is my new office. If you guys want like a house tour and office tour, then let me know and I will definitely do that for you guys. Yeah. Oh yeah, I didn't even show you foundation. I'm using the Rimmel Lasting Finish 25-hour breathable long wear foundation. Medium coverage, but it's fucking amazing. I love it. I really do like it. So self promo, I'm gonna insert it. So this is my little bow shop, and I literally I do bows, I do scrunchies. These are little headbands, or they can be like into a little pigtails. See? Slightly close the door, not all the way, just a little bit. Yeah, please. Yeah? Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Thank you. No problem. For concealer, I use the e.l.f. 16-hour, the usual. For blush, I just got into this one and it's so cute. Yeah, it literally stopped recording because I got a call. But it's a liquid blush, and I put it before everything because I'm gonna set it with like a blush and all that good stuff. So I drag it pretty in and obviously through my nose because I love that look. Again, it's a cream blush, so it's probably gonna like wear off. I saw this girl create fake freckles, and that's what I want to do right now. Yeah, I literally don't know how she did it, so I'm just gonna wing it and see how that treats me. I'm so scared. Look at my face. Ew. Okay, that really narrows it down to not doing it. So yeah, that didn't work out. I swear, like, ever since I got bangs, I literally see no need to do my eyebrows, but, you know, for the aesthetic of the video, I will do my eyebrows for you. I don't even know why I'm cleaning them up, like, there's literally no point. I wanted to do eyeshadow today. Get creative with me. If you have a James Charles palette, bust it out and get creative with me. So I'm gonna go with what I feel and what I see and what comes to my head. So I kind of want to just do like a space princess kind of look. I don't know why. Cut the crease a little bit. I'm gonna do a half cut. Literally half cut. And then I'm gonna apply the color, same color that I put all over my lids in the beginning, the Space Princess kind of look. I'm gonna put a gold in there for her star. No, I'll put the yellow. I'm gonna do some concealer in the center. Should I record like when I go to the store? Because this is extra, guys. This is real extra. Like, I'm also gonna include a little bit of gold in there because wow, I got a Lumpy space princess. Bitch, it's cute. Anyway, that's the video. Bye, guys. I'm just kidding. I still have to do the other eye, and I really don't want to. It came out pretty cool. I like it. How did I get concealer in my freaking hair? Don't ask. I don't even know. Now we're gonna move on to contour. I literally just got this. It's so freaking cute. It's from Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. I got it from Target and it's cruelty free, guys. A mixture of both and just kind of contour everything. Pretty cute. Two-Faced, but this one broke and this one broke, the contour and the other one. So I'm just gonna intensify what I already have on. We're gonna highlight. We're gonna use the True Complexion again from Black Radiance, and I'm gonna use this like gold matte pass it. And I'm just gonna go and kind of highlight it. Hey guys, so this is the end of the video. If you guys liked it, give it a like and subscribe. I decided to do the end of the video like a vlog style. So yeah, this is the end. Put it down below in the description who you want me to recreate a look for, and I will. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed. I will be back so soon, and bye.